What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing a skin fade with a design and a comb over on my 2-year-old son here. Say hi, Aiden.
Hi.
Aiden, say hi. Look.
Hi.
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 Alright guys, so we're going to be going in, wetting the hair, we're going to be parting it, and we're trying to make sure that we follow that natural part. You don't want to put a part in that's not where it belongs, because then it's going to be hard for you to style the hair. So just take your time, make sure you find that natural part. And now we're going to be going in with our 3.5 detachable blade, just removing some bulk, coming right off the parietal ridge. Right here, we're following that up with the number 2 right below where we were at with the 3.5. Just going a little bit lower. And here we are with our 1.5 going right below that 2. Just starting to fade down, remove some bulk, and get this area prepped for the design. And just so you guys know, I was planning on doing a skin fade, but when we got to the shop, my son was cranky, he missed his nap, so we ended up going with a 1. Sometimes with kids it's unpredictable like that. And it's the same in the shop too. Sometimes parents come in and they ask you to do these crazy haircuts on their kids, and sometimes they're moving a lot and it makes it hard for us to do that. So you gotta just do what you can and try not to overdo it. The last thing you want is for a kid to leave the shop with a bowl cut, man. It's not a good look. So if the kid's not acting right, man, then just make those suggestions. And when I'm doing my design work, I'm kind of just coming in and sketching, you know. I'm using the corner of the blade, and I'm just kind of putting in a rough draft now. When I have my design in, I'll turn the clipper upside down and start to thicken those lines out a little bit. And I'm really just freestyling here, you know. When you're doing designs, it takes a little bit of creativity. You don't want to do every design the same, so just get creative. Don't get overly confident, you'll be alright. Take your time. I did get some clipper over comb work at the end that I wasn't able to put in the video. We couldn't get a good shot of it, but just know that when I finished up the design and the haircut, I went in and clipper over comb the top just to blend it in a little bit better. And here I looked at the design, I didn't like how short it was, so I came in and added a little bit. And sometimes when you're doing designs, you gotta just make those adjustments, man. You gotta step back from the haircut and just take a good look at it, and if you think it needs some adjusting, just go in there, you know. Always trust your gut. You see my daughter skipping around in the background trying to entertain her little brother. So here I'm hitting them with some fibers. I like to do fibers when I do designs. It's all preference. You don't have to, but for me, it just makes it easier to see what I'm doing. It makes the design pop a little bit more, so it's up to you guys. So usually I'll put the fibers on, and then I'll hit it with some hairspray, and then once it dries, I'll start doing the razor work. I don't like to use shave gel when I do designs. I feel like I can see what I'm doing a lot better with just some hairspray. The hair gel sometimes, or the shave gel, sometimes it like smears and the hairs get built up, and sometimes it'll look like you have a straight line, and then when you wipe it away, it's not. So give it a shot if you never tried it before. And also, I wouldn't recommend using a razor on every little kid like this. This is my son, so I felt comfortable doing it on him. But if you're gonna do it, just make sure that you're aware of what the kid's doing. If they look like they're about to move, just pull that razor off their head real quick. You don't want to cut somebody. So now we got our number 1 on there. We're just coming at the bottom, clearing out the rest of the hair we missed, and it's just giving it a little bit of light to dark look, a little bit of a transition. It's making that design pop. So there you have it. This is the final cut. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Got that boy looking clean. Look at that handsome boy, man. Boy's getting so big. But yeah, anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, just hit that subscribe button. We did a little skit at the end. So yeah, enjoy.